So today's lesson is called Intro to Nets. We are still working with geometry, and you may be thinking of a fishing net or something like that, but that is not what a net is. A net in geometry is a two-dimensional shape. So that means if it's a two-dimensional shape, it is a flat surface. I'm going to get rid of that S on shapes. But it does have shapes. Okay. And it is a composite figure. Recall what a composite figure was. A composite figure is when two shapes are brought together. It can also be where you take a shape out of another shape. So made up of more than one shape. So one thing that's really important to note about a net is when a net is folded, it forms a 3D figure. What is a 3D figure? We call those solid shapes. Okay, so let's take a look at one solid shape that you're really familiar with. So I've drawn a square, and I'm going to actually turn this into a cube. And then here we go, there's our cube. And you can stop the video and go back and see how to do this. And then how do I make the back look? You make your dotted line, you draw another slant, and then there we go. We have our cube. That's our 3D shape. So let's go ahead and label a couple of things. Let's label the top and the bottom, okay? Just so that we can see where things are. So say for instance, we cut open this cube. I'm going to make this, of course, a smaller looking cube. So here's a square, and let's make this the bottom. So I cut it open, and then this would be a side, or actually, let's say that would be the back. Here would be each of the sides. Here would be the front, and then this would be the top. Now, if we can recall from what we had said the other day when we were analyzing our 3D shapes, how many faces and bases does a cube have? Well, 4 faces, 2 bases for a total of 6. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so actually this has now been cut open to form this. Now, one thing also, 3D shapes, which we call solids, have specific nets. Now, how do you practice these? Well, guess what? Go to our module for nets, and there is a nets activity, and you can practice creating and taking apart different nets. I'll give you a little example. Here in our packet, we have different nets. Which ones would they form? When I look here, remember what our base is. Here's my base. So this would probably be here. Let's look over here. This is my base. It's one square. Oh, there's my, is that a square pyramid or a rectangular? Boom. Now we have a cube, a triangular prism, and a prism. Well, oh, that's a different looking net for a cube, but like I said, there are specific nets and there's multiple nets, multiple ways you can cut something open. And then this one would go here, and of course what's left is this one. So that looks like a beautiful piece of art, but just so that you know that nets can be cut open to, or be folded into a certain 3D shape and cut open in different ways.